Hello, you are welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Moringa hair growth mask. Okay, and the first ingredient you'll be needing is our avocado. For this video, we'll be needing half of this avocado. If you have this small one, you can use just one full one, but you can see this is a medium size or the big one. Okay, we are using half of this. Okay, an avocado contains vitamin B complex and it's great for hair growth. It leaves your hair healthy. It contains potassium, magnesium, and this will help you to leave your hair smooth, shiny, and prevent it from breaking. Okay, and we'll just use half of this for this video. Okay, depending on the quantity of your hair, you can use all of them. Okay, and we'll go in with banana. And banana contains lots of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A and B, which helps to leave your hair vibrant, stronger. Okay, and it includes potassium, which can help to strengthen the strands of your hair. And here we are going in with our moringa. Moringa contains vitamin A, B, and omega-3 fatty acid. All these are very rich for your hair. And we're going with our olive oil. Olive oil is one of my best oil for hair. Okay, and now we're going with castor oil. This oil is said to be one of the best oil that penetrates our skin. And we're going with almond oil, which is leaves our hair shiny. Okay, and it penetrates our skin too. And we're going in with coconut oil. Oh my god, you know, some people say that coconut oil leaves your hair dry, but for me, no. Okay, so if it leaves your hair dry, please avoid it. And we will go in with honey. Okay, honey is said to moisturize your hair follicles and leave your hair shiny. It restores shines to your hair, and it will remove all the dull hairs. Okay, it will prevent your hair from loss. Okay, so if you have not been adding honey to your hair marks, I want to encourage you to start doing so today. Okay, so and we will blend all these to bring it to a smooth consistency. Okay, you can see I'm just blending it, and when we finish blending it, we'll get our bowl or plate, whatever you're going to use to apply this. Okay, we will get our silver. I'm using a wig cap. Okay, a wig cap, you know, the cap you wear on your hair before wearing your wig, because it serves me well. Okay, and I will go in to introduce this there, and you can see it's quite thick. All right, and we would not want to have this thick like this on our hair because it's going to be too thick for the hair. So I went ahead to rinse my bowl with some water, and I will just a little water to loosen the hair, to loosen the hair max product. Okay, the product, to loosen it up so that we don't have too thick. Okay, just very soft, creamy like, okay, products. That's what we want to have. And when we do this, we will prevent, as we are saving it like this, we are trying to prevent to get some hair products on our hair, because when we do that, it's going to be quite difficult for us to wash. So whenever you are doing your hair marks like this, I want to encourage you to seal it. Okay, you can see all this. If not that we did this, we are going to have it on our hair, and when we are washing, it's going to be difficult. Okay, and this is it. And you go in to mix it, you know, with the water to bring it to a smooth consistency. Okay, you can see I'm just mixing it. You can see it looks like baby food. Our hair is going to get a very protein based food today. Okay, remember, this is our moringa hair max. Okay, taking care of our hair, that is what we do on this channel. We talk about hair growth, hairstyles for all hair type. Okay, and here I'm going to show you guys how I am going to apply it on my hair. Remember, you apply this on a clean hair, not on a dirty hair. Okay, on a clean hair. I just finished washing my hair, and I'm going to go in to pat it with my hand. You know, if you have quite long hair, pat it more than two. Okay, you can say I just patted this to two because my hair is not that long. This hair is long. Oh, okay, but you can, you know, the thing called shrinking is what is happening to this hair, because this my hair is quite thick and it can shrink. Okay, it can shrink. All right, so I went in to start applying it gently. Okay, be mild with it. You try to apply it to every part of your hair starting from the scalp to the strands of your hair. You know, try to walk section by section. This will help you to get to every part of your hair, and it will help the hair to accept the product you are applying, okay? Because this is our natural hair care. We call it care. You know, once you say care, it means you do it with your whole heart, with love, and with gentle. We are very gentle when we are dealing with our hair, okay? You can see I just apply it just like that, and I will go in to use my hair to start separating the hair while applying this beautiful, the best protein based hair mask you can see. This is it, guys. Taking care of your hair. Your hair may not be that long. You know, some of us, maybe genetics or whatever, our hair is not really growing long. Like they will say, 1 week, 2 weeks, your hair is just there. Whew. You don't need to have long hair. My main purpose of going natural is to have healthy hair. I will show you guys a picture of what my hair used to look like on this video. Okay, what it used to look like: hair itching, dandruff, hair fall, all those stuffs. I got them before now. But thanks be to God for all the stuffs, all the DIY, all the natural DIYs I've been doing on this my space. Okay, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share this video with everyone. Okay, with everyone. You can see I just go in with my hand, and then I'll go in with brush to scrub, to massage, to make sure that this gets to every strands of my hair, every part of my hair. From the back of my hair was where I had the most serious challenge on this my hair. And that was one of the things I was like, I'm going to go natural to avoid relaxer. I'm going to avoid relaxer. I'm going to try as much as I can to avoid chemicals on my hair. And since I took that both steps, I've never regretted it. I have 4 girls, and all of us are natural hair, and it's been an amazing journey. Amazing journey. No more dry scalp, okay? No more hair itching, no more hair fall, no more, name it. Our hair is just doing perfectly well, okay? And when I'm done doing all this like this, I will do it on the other side, okay? So that we have a balance. And when I'm done doing it on the other side, this section is where is the part where you cannot avoid massaging your hair. This helps the hair follicles to wake up. It helps the blood to circulate. That's one the when you're on a natural hair and you're not massaging your scalp, I don't know what you're doing. Okay, or when you apply a hair product and you don't massage it on your hair or your scalp, I don't know what you're doing. This will help the hair follicles to open up. All the scalp will be so happy. The blood will circulate, thereby promoting hair growth, thereby promoting strong hair, thereby promoting shiny hair. You know, avocado adds shines to your hair. You know, banana adds strength to your hair. Okay, with all the castor oil, go and check it out, guys. Castor oil, one of the oil that penetrates, okay, deep down into our skin. You can see this is the back of my hair. This is what the back of my hair used to look like, and you can see the journey so far. That is why anytime I'm just working on my hair, I pay attention at the back of my hair. You can see, I don't know why the hair just fell off. At this point, before this hair like this, I've cut my hair before now, thinking it would grow back, but it didn't grow back, till I started, trying to research and come up with all the stuffs I've been doing on this my space. And when I'm done, I will cover my hair with a shower cap, okay? Cover with shower cap. You can tie your towel on it, okay, for it to heat. But I'm not going to tie towel. I'm going to go in with my hair steamer, what you call it, okay? You can see I'm just trying to steam it, to prepare it. At this point, it's closed here. But when it starts heating and the vapor starts coming out, I will open it so that the vapor will see space to go out, so that it doesn't wet on my hair. You can see it has started, warming up and all that. Okay, the steam is coming out. All right. And I will go in there now to allow my hair to enjoy all the hair products I've put in there, okay, to bring out the shine from my hair. Okay, why not like this video and subscribe. It's very easy. I'll share this video with everyone, okay, and I'll go in there, all right, to enjoy the steam, to allow the steam to to do its work. And as I'm in there, I'm just enjoying myself. You can read your magazine, you can press your phone, okay, you can watch some of my other videos, okay, you can dance and do do stuff. So as I was just in there, I was like, this my hair mask is white. Is the vitamins in there, I won't just let them go. My skin need to receive some of it, and that is how I went ahead to apply it on my skin. Avocado, it helps to remove wrinkles. It prevents aging, all those your expression lines. It will help to reduce them, okay, and it will leave your face shining. That's coconut oil is one of the oil you can think of you want to use on your face, okay. Tell me about honey, tell me about almond oil. They keep your face shiny, they keep your skin shiny. That was, and I went ahead to to use the steamer to steam my face so that my face can open up all the all the skin there, so that the products will get in there. And when I'm done, you can see look at my face, guys. It's already shining. It's already shining. You can see, you can use this to, if you have expression, line expression, like, what do they call it, if wrinkles are coming, you see you're aging, this product, this DIY can equally work for your skin, and it will leave your skin glowing, okay. And I'm going to go ahead now to wash them off, and I will show you guys what my face look like. Look at my face, is looking shiny, smooth. I just came out from the bathroom. This is what my face looks like, and this is what my hair looks like. Boom. I know, because I sealed it, there is no hair product or particles on my hair. It was easy to wash, and that is it, guys. This is the end of this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for all your love and support. Bye.